been done, and this too also applied some applications with God personally through inside the soul. And this is how the bike look, guys. Beauty, right? Damn beautiful. And there is my friend's bike. So this is the shock exhaust. So I'm going to hear the shock exhaust later on. Right now I'm in the city. A lot of people are here, so I just don't want to create some nuisance thing. And this is how the bike looks. 350 classic single seat, and the seat has been removed. If you want to do a solo ride, do like me, guys. I'm just making kind of joke, bad joke, but still this is how the bike looks. Pretty beautiful. I really loved it, man. So I'll continue with another 10 minutes, guys. Okay, bye. Look at, fuck, my god. Guru, sound matra next level. Really, man, way mad now. Fuck. Seriously, you can hear the noise. Look at this guy. Look at the sound. Crazy. You can see the beat, right? You can hear the beat. Dude. Fuck. Seriously? Man. Fuck. अरे वाह, मेरा दिल की रानी. Oh, seriously, guys. Fuck. Seriously, man. Oh. I was out of mind, guys. I have no words to say to this bike, and also this, seriously, this exhaust. No words. Look at. Fuck. I'm emotional seeing this bike, sitting on this bike, and also a single seat. How do I look? I just want to tell. I want to see, bro. Guys, I'm record video. How do I look? The solo seat. Guys, you can hear the beat, right? Fuck, this is crazy, man. And the power riding that metal gun stock bike and this one with the exhaust, there are a lot of power difference, guys. I thought crazy, man. Seriously, especially I'm mad love with this bike, especially this exhaust. Wow. Look at this pretty damn beautiful guys riding a bike. AVG. Hey, family man. Hey, yo, man. And I'll ask him which is the place we are going. Hey, how place though? Place yavado? ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಯಾವುದು? ಆನಿ ಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ. Guys, Ani Lingeshwara. So I really don't know which temple, which god is this, but after going there I'm going to record 100%. I'm going to not miss even a single shot, and I'm going to put each and everything in this video, guys. This is a clip in this video, and also I'm going to show you each and everything, which is the temple, why are we going there, and Ani Lingeshwara is a temple name. We'll go there and we'll spend some time in the temple for some peacefulness and putting some application for the god for a future part. मेरा दिल की रानी, क्या भागते तू भाई, क्या भागते, इसका साउंड देखो यार. Seriously, the sound is next level, guys. There is no words to say. Riding, you can see that fire like a cracker sound. Fut, fut, fut. That is like next level. Next level. Where are my friends? They are coming there. Because there are no mirrors. I need to turn back if I need to see my friend. Because he is a bit a slow rider. I'm a bit a fast rider. So this is the reason, guys. That's it. Especially this beside Mandur and Chikballapur side, there are a lot of farmers. They grow sugarcane, flowers, and all this corn and cucumber, rose, everything, guys. Especially this Mandur side, all this is almost. If it is city also, they are growing almost everything, including tomato, onion, like a lot of vegetables, guys. And I feel happy that there are still in part of Bangalore farmers are doing their great job, guys. Really, we need to thank them. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And why I'm just telling this, because not for my law, guys. I'm just, because I usually don't come this side, or I don't roam or don't travel this kind of areas, because I stay inside the city. I really don't know much how the outside of the Bangalore looks. And right now I am almost outside of the Bangalore. Right now I'm going to catch International Highway Airport Road. So this is Yelahanka. And also this is the same route which we can go to Nandi Hills, guys. And we are not going to Nandi Hills. As I told you, we are going to temple to see the Lord and get some peace. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Guys, we are almost near to the highway, and look at this Royal Enfield Metro, the new black, matte black. Looks pretty beautiful. Looks good, right? But still. Haha, crazy sound, man. Fuck. But the thing is, shifting the gears after installing the exhaust is damn smooth than that bike, guys. I'm not comparing that as hard this thing, what is a clutch or something like that. I don't know. I can feel a lot of difference between that stock bike and this with this exhaust bike, guys. There are a lot of difference which I can feel that in this, like I can shift the gas like a flower, like a smooth way than the that bike. So in that I need to hold full clutch, then I need to shift. That is a bit hard, but in this I don't feel that kind of thing. And but the vibrations of this bike is I can feel everywhere. Oh, sorry. Nadi. As I told you, the vibrations I can feel in the foot pegs and also in the handlebars. As you all know that Royal Enfield has the vibrations if you have BS6 also, but BS6 is comparing BS4, the damn smooth. And also this bike is BS4 engine and this bike is BS4. The engine smoothness than BS6, okay, but BS6 is smoother than BS4, guys. Pretty beautiful, but still the bike is mind-blowing. What? Mind-blowing. Oh, ಯಾರು ಗುರಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೂಪ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ. We are going somewhere in a different road. The Road King. And also, guys, this is a bike. Look at that beauty. so beautiful with that beautiful color and that person. ಅಲ್ಲಿದರೆ ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಅಂಬಲಿಸಿದ ಮನ. And here I need to put the brakes. ಏನು ಗುರು ಇದು, ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಭಯಂಕರ ವೇಟು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ವೇಟ್. The feeling of this bike is next level, guys. Next level. The feeling of this bike is next level. Guys, man, look at this beauty. Left and right tree in the middle road. Beauty, right? I can feel that. The pure air, guys. The pure air, I can feel it. Look at the straight line. Okay, we'll go. We'll ride, make some noise. Go. Only the thing is, this Royal Enfield, this kind of classic bikes does not have that level of top speed. Only the GT and Interceptor, this kind of bikes has like almost 160-180 kilometer top speed guys in the Royal Enfield. That was the first bike to reach almost 160-170 kilometer in the highway or has a good top speed. This bike has almost 120 kilometer. That's it, guys. This is the top speed of this Royal Enfield Classic, 120 kilometer. And this guy is too fast than me right now. And I can feel the neck pain on my back right now due to this GoPro mount, and the camera has become a lot of more weight than before, guys. A lot of neck pain. But still, I'm doing all this for you people, especially for my YouTube channel and for our viewers and for all my subscribers, and guys, especially for YouTube. Guys, I'm doing for you, not for me. And this is my passion. Passion makes me feel perfect, and what I'm showing is everything is for you, not for me. As I told you, passion makes me feel good, perfect. A lot of people are watching this bike, guys, not me. I'm not that cute, because this bike is damn beautiful and cute, overloaded, extra overloaded, like a butter and the what is that, butter and the rasgola. What a combination. I don't know how to put a combinations between rasgola and this butter, but I feel like that will be tasty as next level. Village. So right now we have entered village. I don't know which village is this. Making a sound in the silent road is always so next level. Make some noise, baby. You are always so pretty sounding. The youth sounds. We are almost reached. We need to. So this is the temple. This is how it looks, guys. The old temple. Okay. So this is how the temple looks. And the sound. Later we'll do puja and we'll be back. So this is the temple, guys. This is how the temple looks, and everything has been ready. the yeah, and he's going to call the pujari, and he'll come back within 5 minutes. And this is the temple, old temple. Actually, this is his house temple, like Mane Devru. We call it as Mane Devru. So every puja item and everything is almost there. And the temples look like this, the whole temple. And I'm going to wait for them, and also I'm going to wait for you guys. So stay in the video, and I'll be back, guys. So take care. Guys, so this is the temple, as I told you. So the puja and everything is done. So the thing is, pujari was due to some family issue, he was not there. So the puja was done by my friend, this guy Vijay. So his name is Vijay, guys. So he's the one did puja, everything, decoration inside. So I was not able to show that just because camera restrictions. So, and he is Mithun. This guy, he is Mithun. So puja, everything was done by this two, and also everything is been done. And this two also applied some applications with God personally through inside the soul. And I'll be ending vlog here, and I'll continue from the highway, guys. So I'm going to put some nice clips, and this guy is damn crazy. So actually this is Shiva temple, guys, the Lord Shiva. Oh, so that's it, guys. So I'll be ending here, and I'll be continuing with the I'll be continuing the video within another half an hour. So see you there. So guys, so we are about to leave now. So the puja and everything has been done, as I told you. And right now, so this is the Bullet I told you. I also showed you how this bike looks. And do you want to hear some noise from this bike, guys? So let's make some noise. I'll just start the bike. I hope you guys can hear this, right? Look at this. Vijay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ accelerator koda. Guys, you can hear this. You can see the loud noise. Crazy, right? Huge loud. So this is how the sounds look. And now let's head back to the home, guys. That's it, guys. So I'll still a lot of things are there to talk, so I'll tell you in further moment. See how does that looks. I don't know why guy, why Vijay. We'll see. But the weather and the nature is damn beautiful. Oh God, that is pure, this pure air. I can feel it. I can feel it. So guys, so that's it. So I'll be ending the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also this bike exhaust, and I'll be giving you a last exhaust sound of this bike, guys. So you want to hear once again? So this will be my last so this I'll be ending the vlog here, and time to say bye to you all, guys. So I'm going to see you in the next vlog, guys. So take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon, and give me a thumbs up, guys. So see you in the next vlog. Love you all, take care, see you.